Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vlog. And today we're in Nova Scotia. However, there's a small problem with my bike. There's a leak. You can't really tell, but my fork is leaking, and it's pretty bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a seal mate like tool to clean my seals. So basically the idea of this tool is to kind of scoop under the seal and pull out any sort of dirt or crud that could be down there. So what you need, what works perfect, is a 2-liter bottle of soda, because that's a perfect kind of curve and thickness of plastic. But what works even better is a smart bottle, just like this, just like that. So we just create a little tool. Go like that. Create a nice little lip. The beauty of it is that you can make as many tools as you want. You gotta make sure it's nice and smooth. You don't want any little pieces breaking off in there. You see? It's a nice little scoopy thing. And we go under the seal, around, and pop it out. Let's see if it's small enough to fit. See? Boom. You gotta get it in there. Yep, that's gonna be good. The seal is up here, and then we spin it around. We're gonna pop this down. The problem is, like, this cap here seems like it's old, but we're gonna get some paper towels. The seal is down. What you do is you take some paper towels. You don't want it to fly away. I'm gonna dry this out. Make sure there's no oil, so the way we can see if it's better after we pump it. And at any moment my buddies will come out from that cabin and interrupt, but it's okay. So basically you have this tool, you go in, go under the seal and scoop it around. Like that. The oil will be coming out, but it's all right. After you do that, take your paper towel and dry it off. You may have to do this a couple times, but let's take a look and see. Because basically you just go under the seal and then scoop it around and see if you can knock out any piece of debris. I'm guessing this is like a motocross trick. Let's take a look. All right, let's wipe that down and see if we can pump again and if more oil will come out, or if we fixed it somehow. Not somehow, but through just one pass. Might have to do this again. you might have fixed it. Let's take a look. It doesn't seem like it's leaking anymore. Let's try it again. I got some really good ones in there this time. Nope, no oil. Before, it was just pouring out. So, let's clean it off. I think we're in the clear. So, at this point, you just take your seal, just clean it off a little bit. This is basically a dust cap. Just make sure there's no debris on the inside of it. And after that, just push it up into the fork like that. Ah, beautiful. Clean up the job. Just like so. Boosh. And let me test it one more time. I think we might be good. Always should keep the tool though. The tool should not be thrown away because it will come in handy. And this is a bay into a harbor into Atlantic Ocean. And this morning we woke up 6:30 in the morning, jumped off that pier. It was cold as hell, but awesome. So these are my shoes I wore. Oh. Let's see. I think it's can be fine. Yeah, this can be all right. Only riding will tell. Thank you for watching.